struggled with temple and hairline hair loss for almost my entire life. When I got to Florida, I lost a lot of hair due to the stress, and about 8 weeks ago, I went to get exosomes at Natural Transplants, and my hairline has really started to fill in. The thing that I noticed was less hair fall in the shower, and honestly, I couldn't even begin to explain with words how much hair means to a woman and how much confidence it gives someone when they're walking through the door. The first thing you look at is their hair. I think this has given me a new confidence. I want to be in pictures again, because even this little bit that I see here just lets me know that I'm on the right track, and I can't wait to see what comes next.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.